Uboroso bw'umugusi. Bimona soko choregeta sinikiga hien soko TV mwanchumo rigeria handonsia sore na gukwandire na gukwarigania asema yakuru en soko chinsa isato asobot ko boiga bwakane mutinyo gatano mwaka bw'ichiri bubere 2025 ne monchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi hasiri bagari timu egonkonya gucha kwene kyamare n'ikibica nakugochera senchirengia togosabiro karanso ko beninto kurbono wika omwero hasengencho MSM yakuru en soko chinsa isato achakira bono toranyora senchira yubo ikiranu aigane gatia to kwari gan rete bot kubara abariki ao korogusi gochengera litko lyo bosibore bwabariki ensengima imeyobo gatagati bo mochubo songo litko lya rero.
When it is clearly displayed to the world that you are a sinking ship, would you be spending your time insulting your predecessors? It's amazing.
Turigo chigwikaransa totengere na gosoncha mokomurama Uhuru Kenyatta ninkwane mokonyi bo muraibu kyama ya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
I am Miss Independent International Africa 2026. I'm very humbled first of all. I thank the Lord and of course I'm very overjoyed.
Na hintingana yego sorry yo Weston chemusubati Joan Joy koira na kurwa Bangkok Thailand mega yoko bwaeke wakyo Weston ya Miss Independent International Africa. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigaria bono togochaka na robot rokubwete chitariki 3 mutinyo gatano kero mwaka ensengimanigo ekorichengera ritukeriga koberio bosibore bwabariki me county ya Kisii ritukeriga rero abariki kurwa sebita seni au biborari nigo basangera kana memocho bosongo na gukoro kurobekana komorembe erio kugania obosibore bwabo ubonyara ko babo kwenekiwa bakoragwa no munyakero gobwekyombe ya Kenya Correspondents Association uyo manyakane buna Hudson Matara amona baraibande nigo bono baereira makongo au bagwetera kira rituko chinga kibakoriye guikirania hemerebo yabo hase abande bagocherwa na abande goika goitwa nigo bono bagandire baigwo bosibore bwabo hekero bagokora emeremo yabo abigo yokwenekia nko bamanyibare aba na inchio muri kitopetu el machini na renge gati yabarikyabo robotiro ya senchira bwikirana
Nerbia abariki kwewo bosibori bwabo akira bagwikirania mirimo yabo ya kiralitiko yokogokia goseme na bwigo komanya abananchi okonoko bori wa kwarure na ensemo y'abariki memo cyobosongo chinga kicho kurichengera ritikoria obosibori bw'abariki ensenki maritiko okwana chinga kicho bakora no myakero bwekyombe gya Kenya Correspondents Association KCA Hudson Matara nganya kaboga ko robya bwerutukeriga asabariki kwego bosibore bwabo
abdaro ni rituko lia abariki kuse abatangazaji Kenya ngima bako chengera rituko lyabo lyo obukoli emirimo haiga Kisii abariki n'abatangazaji ku rwenseme yega basoire na barabu kuchengera rituko elyo lakini ngo sababalenga tiga abantu tokuruka baamate babaligirira n'abasani babo yani a community erigirira abariki muna abantu bara abasani babo ligo kolega sikomo kegera abariki aba mirimo yawe menene no kubamanyia mangana atekire ense kubasomiguro ya mangana muna abachenu uburemi naende kubagokia mnabono chingero na matera mukuigwa wetira ase chiredio ase television na wao
igati ya abariki na boiga bote ni aha nigo banya ko babakwerera chinga kichinga ngo bagweterekera bakore mirimo yabasogocherwa
pasipo hawa waandishi hatutaweza kupata ujumbe ama information yoyote kwa jamii kwa sababu sisi ndio tunaelimisha, sisi ndio tunaweza kuwajulisha kinachoendelea ulimwenguni. Jambo lingine ni usalama wetu wakati tunafanya kazi yetu. pengine vile tunafanya kazi haikufurahishi. Leo umeona pengine kitu tumefanya ama story nimefanya haijakuendea vizuri. Umetuma watu wako wametuvamia ama wamenivamia. Kesho story nimefanya inakuendea vizuri, haijamuendea yule mwingine vizuri. Pia yule ataona huyu anitaki ananipinga. Pia atume watu wake. Sasa tunaona tunaumia sana.
Egiye chigotageti abarike mangaseti batari kugenda bunera ini batagete. Nduna abantu tole trained, ndori kwa namuna mona sasa gototebi toka namuna twarora, muna twaigwa na andi muna tumanyete. So nali gochikoboliga abarike baitwa magaseti, abande bali mwasoire ase social media cyabana siasa. Tako bajispasa abarike bamina sengenjore moina ali gere siasa nkoherere. Journalism negenderete.
Asibono banyako bakoborie byombe byonsi byoborendi kwane kinga nkuwena baramangana abo interneti abariki gochererwa eryo abariki banyoro bose bori babo
toko bori inspector general ne chikoti lekanya to bori monga na kome etotageteiga tige binebi eibage bimbiroje kaine binde byoka chibicha mbibage mbimanyire bikorwania abaralia bikorwania chiripota Kenya ningi muganyete motari ko bitingera ebina byabo bikorwe basoe aliasa kurunga kurekebisha na haki.
Tungeomba pia idara ya usalama waweze kutusaidia wakati tunapiga ripoti, mchukulie jambo hili kwa umakinifu sana, na tunaomba tu ushirikiano na usalama wetu.
Ule uhusiano wetu wa kimaendeleo kutoka mashinani mpaka kule juu ulimwenguni kote. Kwa hivyo mashirika yote ya kiserikali, mashirika yote ambayo ya kiutu, zile changamoto zote zinapitia kwa wanahabari ndio sifikie ambapo mwanahabari anastahili kuangaliwa kama kioo cha jamii ambayo kinastahili heshima mahali popote ambapo kinaonekana.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuromo chobo songo nchepethual Machin.
Tuguskabusia soroboti ronde mwanchu morigraria mokonye bumurai wikiama gia Jubilee oyubo igokoriye kerugo kyubarai buense wasoba jori borebosio Dr. Fred Matiang'i omochire gatia barai kuru ase serikali bakorogwa n'umurai buense ase okomochio yokabere umurai buense omukuru Uhuru Kenyatta ayankobwatekana ni chinkwana hicho Uhuru Kenyatta nyatiko bagakurwa ase abagwatani bae ase nchera yesimi chinga kikiame kyo kyabwato musangerekano ase county ya Narok nokoboria komosira Dr. Matiang'i asoba jori borebosio Linet Nyambane na roboti wa senjere bwikirana.
Abarai be kiama gya Jubilee bamochirie abarai kurwa ase kiama kya UDA au batebire bakomochegia oyo kabeire umurai bwense boigo umurai bwe kiama gya Jubilee Uhuru Kenyatta kubwatekana nenkwana yae akorete na babwatani bae chingaki ekiamekyo kyabwato musangirekano ritkoria Jumamosi ase county ya Narok.
We will not even allow and encourage our members to use that kind of language against President William Ruto because it's indecent, it's unbecoming. We're going to build a decent society and a society that upholds truly the principles of democracy and decency. The retired president makes one phone call and the government screams the whole weekend. What kind of people are these? And we are reading now the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, a public sector government agency, has told us clearly with data and statistics that 2/3 of the stories they have been telling us are just blatant lies.
Kama rais ameweza kustaafu, ni vizuri awache kwamba yule ambaye yupo afanye kazi yake inavyofaa, ili kuwe na umoja, kuwe na utangamano, na kama kuna mambo yote ambayo pengine yanatokea, basi kuna kuwa na mawasiliano. Na hilo ni jambo ambalo unaliona kabisa hata kule Marekani wakati rais amestaafu, anakwenda kufanya kazi nyingine. Na leo asubuhi nilikuwa namfikiria yule Jimmy Carter ambaye alikuwa ameishi miaka mingi zaidi, na alipoacha uongozi yeye alienda kushughulikia watu, akaenda kujengea watu manyumba, akaenda kufanya mambo ya kuleta amani, na akaishi miaka mingi kuliko rais yote mwingine. Na hayo ndio mambo ambayo yanafaa kuwa wakati unapostaafu kuwa rais, na ndivyo ndiposa iwe ni kielelezo chema ambacho kipo katika jamii hii yetu ya Kenya.
Gukwana kurwa ase amagacho amanene yekiamekyo imeyo mucho Nairobi abarayabo bakoragwa no mukonyi bwekiamekyo Fred Matiang'i nigo batebire UDA nigo giasinyirwa kora egasi na kigekogera ababwatani bae bachakire kung'anya kurwa ase ekiamekyo.
On a weekend when senior members of your party are announcing that they will not defend their seats on your party's ticket, when it is clearly displayed to the world that you are a sinking ship, would you be spending your time insulting your predecessors? It's amazing. We want to ask these brothers and sisters of ours in government, there's work to be done, a lot of work to be done. Let's focus on that work and build our country. President Kenyatta is retired. He is a member of Jubilee. He is going to be a member of Jubilee and is playing his role as a member and the leader of Jubilee. Leave him alone. Let him carry on with his businesses.
Korengana na mangana ya kwanete abantu aminto mwaroche weekend yebuna yaerete mwarocha serikali ya William Ruto ekera igurita abantu baje kuruororokoreta mangana yecheche na kuramu muske Uhuru Kenyatta tutage tokotebiga muske Uhuru Kenyatta muske William Ruto ase serikali yaye abwate bonoiga abakenya babwato bokongu bunge sana amangana school fees capitation teigoso ase chiskuru amangana asha abantu aminto bakurwara basirira kinyagitari awao bataikonyora ukuwenie sengetu kibesa cyasha nchiyo ekegori kietegeke a promise ti ari wota kwa chigasi bonoiga mbanya konyora chigasi enseye gebwato bokongu bunge sana na korengana nibirengererie ebyo itwairete nganko rokorare ngomo kiuyo erindegere koranga ebintu ebiga twakwanire bya myarire gushugulikiwa
asebono abarayabo nigo bono baruro kuburia gucia ase abarayibe kiama kya UDA gokorera abakenya emirimo.
And those elected leaders, I want to ask them, sisi tunawaheshimu, you know, we are not going to walk down that hole or behaving like Precambrian people, you know, insulting others for no apparent reason. Tutawaheshimu, hatuwezi kuwatusi, lakini tafadhali, you know, let's build a modern country. Kenya is a serious country. When you see the kind of arguments we're having, it's a joke.
Itotake tebia abantu amintase bari. Enga kie bono ya ikire na intu na bagusito wenete wechoka erindegerege wiko mwaka ondo 2027. Tunyare kubiko burayu buya buranyare kokonya abagusiba ito na ende bakonye Kenya ngima.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
My fellow Kenyans,
Tuskabosia soroboti rondo mwancho murigeria hase ntunde ya kabere nigo bona bamenyi be county ya Nyamira basabire bayisoki iryo barengwe amaiso nakwegwa hebirore bya bosa ase umuroberio rachi guchaka ritko ryankyo na kurega kyama tukatano alebosio ase barachakire nsemo ya Nyansabwa parish eria Jerusha Marindi na Sengera chigotoka ase wode yerigoma ase umuroberio yo hokoragwa nebyombe au hebitari bya serikali byanyare ko babigwe sokia na koenekia huna nigo na gusaba bamenyi be county ya Nyamira gwesokia iryo barengwe eguikira banyore obubweni ase batebirikira boniga nigo abamenyi chiribu 20 baringira se county uchikonyora obubweni ase batebire kerengo ke 53 igoro yemia niga abantu barwarete amaiso kubwatakana nenchira bakomenya muri kito Steven Nyariki agotomanya senchiro bwikira
Mega yentunda entangani yokorengwa maiso na gusira bamenyi ba Nyamira nebirore asa menyi chiriwinye bakonyegete no muroberio ebyombe bitari bya serikali bya Philemon Morara PM Foundation, Resource Foundation, Right of Hope Initiative na Lions Hospital. Gasentunda ya kabere nande barachake umuroberie kamunoyo ankyo asa matukatano asabare kirenga gyoikirania kurigia bamenyi be county ya Nyamira gwetania chiribu 20 nenjira yemo yo kwirania okoboko ase amate
asamarita Douglas Rutongo selisosa lero turegane kyombe kanene sana tukubwatirana tuwalchi foundation ibira tukubwatirana ne kyombeke that is foundation ya Douglas Rutongo lisosa na APM Foundation Philemon Morara APM Foundation the organization ya Nairobi ya mekuru kwa Light of Hope Initiatives na banyegetari bane ku Lions Hospital tuachirega iga guseba achirega igo tokonya munyore tintu akore exercise ke kiala last time kolingoria banta maiso erinde bakanyore birore abande bakire face ndi yakabere
yetankuru kwa Philemon Morara Piemi a standing senator 2027 igorende otuacha iga buna onkea tebire aswe okoronji process ya eye screening phase 2 phase 1 inja arete yen phase 2 phase ye okava accounting nande ntoje tawe toko na koteba asitoko genda phase 1 I think ntu akora tang 4,000 phase 2 asenge nje timu nene actually target yaito is 20,000
korengana na Philemon Morara Piemi uyu kuriye kirokyo wa seneta se county ya Nyamira na boigo Douglas Orutuonge Orisosa uyu kuriye kirokyo wa MCA se wodi ya Bogichora igo bereire nga ko bagusi abantu abange bagutumeka chingo gento gekogera rioki ko basaria maiso igo yababetereirie koreto morobere wega sentunda ya kabere.
The reason as why abanyegetali aba bakira abange sana twanyoda abantu baita maiso na saligete sa gutumeka chingo
usonye surgery yetakire watebu surgery gochiokorwe surgery ye inero tobwato mubango bali bonsi bagochikonyorwa takire surgery naande partners bande nababuna tora tobwateranete tochikorana kitogochikokonya bali batakire kwa surgery ego era maiso na ara ukoro kite beauty yense ukore togomana wanenjera iga maiso negendo kia mana sana
korengana n'abanyagitari korwa ase kiombe gitari ya serikali kya Right of Hope nigo gwetania 53 igoro yemia y'abantu banene bagotwara umucando bwa maiso egento kyagerire barigereriwe asoboime.
It's very okay so far. I think 15% and mainly in adults, but for children not that rampant, but it affects adults mostly.
80% of the people are suffering. So mostly people suffer from diabetes. You find someone maybe, and these are things that develop, and so much from the area that in Nyamira, we are interested to support this community.
Philemon Morara Piemi na boigo Douglas Orutuonkeo ne bakuriye birogo ao nigo batebire ngeganga ya benene siasa taraikaso mwaka 2027 kwedekinga goirani bare okoboko ase amate.
The reason yenene no go give back to the community. Ndu no so meta no tukine area
ayo normally abantu kora bodi bolengike kogera toko colleagues together na Piemi barengere gosenje no baseneta ngo boli njitiri ko boli baseneta chekero gya ngo ne kyobwe omoyo msie babo kichora ward lakini siasa ya Roma ina bo munya kurutwa makini bathe ba what and what ntuge ndukire na abantu betu akonyegera itangana
igondere tipi asogo korera abantu banyamire gasi yobo seneta ono iga igombware chipiri sana ngoji go present a senate kana ajoriro ono iga moroche egasi bune na basani abatubwate igo I'm very ready.
Steven Nyarikie Monde, Ensoko TV, county ya Nyamira.
Tukoska bosio mwancho morigario muraiwensi ya Kenya William Ruto nigo ara umuroberi wo kubatiane abana chibina 35 na babere ase ekigambiro ekenene moigo yo oneki wa senyombene oboraiga somocho Nairobi nigo onekia abana chabo ebina ko gotianirwa gochego cha kemerbo yabo rimorioka yo mubarobora chikoreta abana chibina 93 abo muraiwensi atebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo yabekire umuke boko onekia una bana nchimba chikonyora obokoreri obuya nabo igo konyora obwene ase bigambiro.
To the people of Kenya to work with the judiciary in a manner that will help build the capacity of the judiciary so that we can, all of us, as we serve the people of Kenya, do the best for our nation. I have seen many judges here, people who have spent many years in the legal profession. I was wondering at some point why the people who came here were very mean with their applause. And at one point I was wondering whether you brought the right people. I thought you came with members of family. And I thought you came with friends. And I thought members of family and friends would very well appreciate what you have done. Can we a round of applause for these people? Yes. Yes. I mean, these good people we are swearing in today have spent years, 20 years, 29 years, more than 15 years. And this is a very well-deserved occasion for them, and they deserve a round of applause. And I have seen across with different experiences. I was telling
Toskabusia sorbo tinondo mwancho morigereria hentingana yego sori yogo estontia musubati Joan Joy nigobono ayariganigwa nomogoko maiga yogo ika imeyense kurwa sensemo ya Bangkok Thailand hase abetega kubwa hekewa kyogo estontia kia Miss Independent International Africa yensengima okwana negeta senikigagia nsoko TV Joy nigobona bagandira basubati bali babwate byewa byogo estontia kubeka umukia yogo ikirania chindoto cyabo muri kito Daniel Mwaga agutumanya senchira yogo ikirana
magega yokolie ira emetie nyemeke ya etire yogo cyako baturunkania na kubabwa abamereri baye intingana yagosoria yogo estontia Joan Joy nigobono aikaneti ndoto yaye yokobwekie gwekyo okwana asomunyegabwo komogenia mayaga yogo kemeyense ya Kenya kurwa Bangkok ime ya Thailand Joan nigobono ayeneke bunomokia amona masabo naro engenchene ne yobo wibwaye.
Very humbled, first of all. I thank the Lord, and of course I'm very overjoyed. I'm overwhelmed with a lot of gladness, and I really say thank you to everyone who supported me. The journey has been both tough and good at the same time. It requires a lot of patience, dedication, a lot of training and practice so that you're able to get to the top.
Joan nigobona babuli abasubati bali babwate byego byogwesitontia gokoromokia ilyo wikanya chindoto cyabo asebo igo abakerambu yabona babwatani bonsi bali bamokonyire wikirania ndoto yaye.
To the ladies out there looking at conquering a global title, I want to tell you one thing. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So whatever you believe in, keep fighting for it, keep practicing for it, and keep chasing your dreams. First of all, thank you to my franchise, Mark Modeling Academy, Mr. Karani, the director for Miss Independent International Kenya, for giving me the chance and the opportunity. Thank you also to the international franchise for putting me on a global stage. A big thank you to my manager, Mr. Shua Morema, for the support and guidance. My parents for always standing beside me, for encouraging me emotionally and supporting me financially. Thank you to my sisters, my best friends, the church, and of course to all the media teams out there that really supported me. I appreciate it.
Abaibuli baya Joy nigobona bamwakire Nyasaye mbuyamono aseba igo babuli abaibuli bande ko basira abana babo bali babwate byegwa elewekerania ebyegwa byabo.
My name is Paul Otieno Oriedi. I'm the father to Joy Joan. The example of Joy is a bit unique. My vision with her was to study gender and development, which she actually accomplished. When she was there, she discovered her talent. I realized as much as I was trying to discourage her, that is where her interest was. And I decided that if my daughter has a passion, it is much more easier to pursue passion than the profession. So I only want to encourage fellow parents that grant your child the desire of his or her heart.
I'm Joy Joan's mother. Joy being my second born, I'm proud of her. Joy has a lot of scars, but I told her these scars, they are the things that will catapult you to the level which you want. And indeed, she has already been catapulted to that level. She can still go to any other level she wants. We'll support her. We are so happy for her. And we thank God for everything. It is the Lord who has done this. Every good thing in our life is worth thanking God. We owe God thanks. It is not by our own strength, neither is it our own might, but God has done it.
Omotrendi bwe school ya Delight Technical College asomo yugo yokorekana nigo ene kyomo kyoli abegete ede kwene Kinga Joy obere ko bakayokerania ndo ndoto ya yeyo gwesitontia asensemo yendo murandio ya Joy nigayane kebuna amasabonsi na yansae na rabeta kwa kirania endote yuo.
My name is Setuti Metamei, principal at Dile Technical College, and today we've had a very wonderful homecoming ceremony for Joan Joy, the Miss Independent Africa Queen. Some words to encourage the models in the industry is that we are here, other players are here to make sure that you have the right kind of support. This is the kind of assistance that we extended to Joan Joy. We made sure that she has clothes for arrival, for evening wear, and she was set for independent.
My name is Pastor Boniface Sove. I am the pastor to Joy Joan. I'm here to congratulate her and to thank God for the great things that He has done in her life.
Aserio yelimo abwatani bande abobekana asomo yogoyo nigabona barekana kunyebolya serikali kobenyona kobasira basubati bali babwate byegwa byogwesitontia.
Samalia tango ku Bernard Smanto musepa maitem na babu mtekova ndere tuacha kaika ko celebrate Joy na oiranire nobobwe gotoro kimna no pageant ase chinse cheisiko ni bwateli baka if onyentonyore support isaine kurwa serikali chi stakeholders a 100% sure ntogende ale sana toko request serikali hakikishenga yabekire chi policies chikonya kwa accommodate our queens and queens who could represent our country in international competition but inside the Kenya they are not recognized.
Inkorporated geteseni Igian Soko TV kurwa sukuru ya Daylight Technical College imeyobo takati ebuwa mochio Nairobi iliyotaria nego nkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.
Tukuskabusio mwancho morigereria oboremi bwebimeri byenyancha nigo bono bogendrete kobesire nene Imechi County au hase hokwerikia wekerengo kyabo gyokoba kusigyo kia perke gotwara umungsomo nene imense ya Kenya abaremi ba maembe kurwase county ya Embu basabirwe kwene kebunango konye kabare asogokora echiro yekerero ensemo ya Karumo ensemo ebunge ya Runyenjes Morandi which ose ase emirobero babo ligo yokwene kyababeke kwene kyango konye kabare kurwase ebimeri ebyo muri Linet Kemunto agotomanya senchira y'ubikirano.
Abaremi kurwe kaunti eyo abo bamanyekanete abaremi ebyata soboremi bwa maembe yabirenga kientambe barabwo konyora sara wetero kobora wechiciro ngamoneji mashini cyoko gatari gesa omonyakero wechire eyo Joseph Nzagi otebire buna abaremi abo babere bagosira rigesa rinyinge ase konyora sara echiro ya Karurumo negati echiciro 12 echo chikorosigwa se kaunti eyo eryogo kini oboremi
watakuwa na pahali conducive, pahali kutakuwa na maji, pahali kutakuwa na usafi wote. Na nikifikiria tunaona hii mradi kulingana na vile the contractor is saying, probably by the end of the year tutaingia huko. Sasa hii soko itatusaidia kwa vile sasa pia hapa tuna institute ambayo hiyo institute wanafunzi wa institute pia wana reside hapa. They are around 4,000.
Watu wa soko tuna uoga fulani sababu magari barabara ni kidogo. Aya magari nazo ni nyingi kwa hii barabara. Kwa hivyo gari kikosa control kidogo iende igonganishe vibanda za watu, hasara inaweza patikana hapo na mikozi mingi inaweza patikana. Lakini soko ikijengwa tutafurahia sana na juu tutaingia ndani, tuache kado ya barabara sisi tuwe ndani sisi wote.
Kotikana nayo oboremi warorokanire gonchoreri obogima bwabamenyi borogongo rwa Kwale korengana no roboti korwa se wizara yoboremi. Oboremi obo nigo bwagenderete konyora chinguru kobwatekana ne imeri ebi gosanerwa ase chiro yensengima. Ebimeri ebi obuya bibwate bwokoroiseria mariogo yoborwaria amaguta yokweyaka egati ebinde aya naragerire abasae nabangina kobwatira koboko oboremi obo unenchire yemo yokwenyorera ebitoki. Omokonyi bo director mone bwe sector yoborubi imeyense Romanishera nigatebire buna amegeri yogokora oboremi naragerire bwakinire na goikerekerengeke korengana nere niga amegeri ayo atungeti obomanyi wekerero.
Kwa mfano ile variety yetu ambayo tunaikuza katika kaunti ya Kwale inaitwa Spinosam ambayo ni it's a low value variety. Na tumeweka mikakati ile tuweze kuintroduce ile high value variety ambayo inaitwa Cotonie ili wakulima wetu waweze kupata mazao mengi na waweze kupata pesa nzuri zaidi katika kilimo cha mwani.
Egati ya bara ibato yoboremi obwo ngamono Mosubati Recho Ajambo Elisha Murabu na Patrice Dilani.
Niona kwa utafiti kama wakina mama na vijana wako wengi sana kwa huu mnyororo wa thamani wa samaki, ili wanafanya zile kazi za chini huko na hawapati kipato kizuri. And so this program is here to uplift the participation of women and youth.
Waingie katika value chain tofauti kama kufanya hizo value added products, kuuza, kupeleka mazao sokoni, kutengeza mazao tofauti kama sabuni za kuoga. Sasa tunaona wakati hivi ilivyofikia, mwani unasaidia zaidi ya wanawake.
Kulingana na sheria zetu, mwani ni samaki, na mwani ni mti ambao unakuwa kule baharini na uko na faida nyingi, sababu mwani ni kama unarejesha hali nzuri ya mazingira, right, kupanda mwani.
Korwa semese yetu yobonsoreria bwegeta senigia nsoko erietariane Linet Kemunto.
Ndiamano murigito Linet Kemunto no roboti rwa senchira yoboikerano na abo mwancho murigeria no toika omwerio asoko kumanyaria ene kiweri tukeriga korwa igasemese maya korwa ensoko chinsa isatonchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi, Felicitas Kabendi, Kelvin Mogoi na Barnabas Sondari na butobwatira na kwene kyamaro bine chibicha ngochara senchirengia nyasaye kawancha tomerane ase embe okorenda seboniga twarobotkovia na bwogendera kwego kene mirobiri agenda ta sembeo yensoko TV.